So to start off with this look, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Dual Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. And I'm going to use that to fill in my brows. And of course, to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the E.L.F Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is my go-to. I love this concealer. And I'm also going to be using that to act as my eyeshadow base. For my transition color, I'm going to use the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to use the color Louis. And I'm going to apply that into my crease in small circular motions. To deepen up my outer V, I'm going to take the ColourPop Perception palette, and I'm going to use the color Revenge just so I can get that orange smokiness that I'm going for. And as you guys can see, I was going for a halo eye, but I just didn't like the way it was going, so I decided just to do a half cut crease, and I'm using the color Mischief in the ColourPop Yes Please palette to do so. And now I'm just taking this brush and I'm blending out the harsh lines so that the colors can transition better. So the color transition wasn't doing it for me, so I went in with the color Thick from the Perception palette, and I'm applying that in between Revenge and Mischief so that it kind of, gives that ombre effect. So off camera, I used the NYX Matte Liquid Liner to create a wing eye, and now I'm going in with the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara or something like that. I'll leave it all down in the description box, but I'm using that to apply that to my lashes so that my falsies and my real lashes can blend in together. And the falsies that I'm going to be using is the Ardell Wispies. So for foundation, I use the Maybelline Super Safe Foundation in the color 355 Coconut. And for my concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer. Yeah. And I'm using it in the color C13. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution powder, and it is the banana powder. And I'm going to use that to set the concealer. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use my good old Faithful Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use the contour shade. For a highlighter, I'm going to be using Boomin by ColourPop. And y'all, when I tell you this color is Boomin, it is Boomin. Like, you have to have a really light hand with this stuff. Here I'm just taking the color Revenge, and I'm applying that to my lash line, and then I'm going to take some mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. For lips, I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is in the color Mocha Twist, which is a really pretty nude. I recommend it if you are my shade or darker. So this is the completed look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.